Did you buy a new phone online on a shopping site or an e-commerce website? If yes, did you check the IMEI number to see if it is blacklisted or no, or if it is a stolen phone or no? If you haven't done these, I want you to watch my video completely till the end to understand what you need to do right now to ensure that you have a proper phone. So these days we mostly do shopping online on e-commerce websites like Amazon or AliExpress or Walmart or whatever it is. And the best part about these shopping websites is that for specifically phones, we get a lot of offers, discounts or freebies and stuff like that. So these things actually attract us to get to these type of websites to, buy more and more stuffs. Okay, and especially when it comes to phones, we don't know where the phone is actually coming from. To be very honest with you, when you are buying a phone from a specific seller, most of these sellers wouldn't have a physical shop. So maybe they just have a warehouse or something and, they just ship it from there. I'm going to show you 3 methods how you could verify and ensure that you are actually having a good phone. The first method is pretty simple and easy. Just get hold of a device connected to the internet, be it a laptop or a smartphone, whatever it is. Open the Chrome browser and get to this website, IMEI.info. So this website is pretty interesting and useful because if you just put in the IMEI number out here and click on check IMEI, within a couple of seconds, you're going to get a report about the IMEI number. So what this website basically does is that they actually check through a database which is available online for absolutely free. Now that database is for all the blacklisted phones. So you just scroll down, click on lost device check, and then if you get pop-ups like this, just close it. And then if you scroll down a bit more, you could see that it is scanning through all the reported phones online. So if your phone was blacklisted, it is going to give you a report out here. But since nothing is mentioned out here, this IMEI number is clean. The second method to check the IMEI number is to get to your phone's service center, or you could just call them on their support number. Okay, if you get a customer support number on the phone box, or you could check online for the latest customer support number, you could just give these guys a call and try and ask them to find out to see if your phone is actually blacklisted or no. In most cases, if it is a new phone, there shouldn't be a problem, but if they tell you that it is blacklisted, you should report it. The third method is even more simple and easy. When you buy a phone online, you would get an invoice, and in most cases you are going to see the website or a phone number for the retailer. So what you could do is get in touch with them and find out from them if the phone is brand new, if it is blacklisted or no. Obviously they're not going to tell you it is blacklisted straightforward, right? But ask them to check it for you. Now, what to do if you get to know that your phone is a blacklisted or a stolen phone? The first thing for you to do is actually report it to the local authorities. So get the invoice and get to the local authorities and just report it. They may just ask you to fill up a form, or you would need to write an application. Just do it and report it. Okay, you get an attested copy of the report and keep it with you. The second thing for you to do is try and call up the customer support for the website. Like if you had purchased a phone on Amazon, just go ahead and call up Amazon and tell them the issue. In most cases, you're going to get help on the call itself, but if they need to contact the support, they're going to take some time, and they may just tell you to wait for like 7 to 15 days or whatever it is, and they're going to get back to you. And apart from calling up the support for the website that you purchased the phone on, what you could also do is try and speak with the retailer directly to see if they can help you. Now, if you do all of these things whenever you buy a phone, you're going to ensure that you are never ever going to get into trouble, or you are actually using a proper phone. If you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.